Folks are Ash, welcome back. And this is part 2 of small talk in Irish when it comes to the weather. Because what are you if you don't have some weather small talk up your sleeve? And this will help you sound like a native speaker and be able to speak Irish naturally. So the first one is it depends on the weather, which is just a nice little phrase. If somebody asks you, are you doing something? Are you going on to the match? You can say it depends on the weather. Brahan, Shay, air, on, I'm sure. Brahan sé ar an aimsir. Now, our pronunciation disclaimer here is really important because there are 3 dialects of Irish: Ulster, Munster, and Connacht. There's also the Standard Irish, which is used in print media and what you might have learned in school. So that's a lot of different ways to say things, and it's a lot of variation in pronunciation. So in yellow here, and the pronunciation that I've just given is a general guide. However, if you would like it in a specific dialect, you can write this phrase into obair.ie here, and you'll be able to choose the area of your choice and hear it spoken by a native speaker from that area, and then you can adjust the phonetics to your liking. So it goes for all the phrases in our videos and for most Irish that you learn in courses or other videos or other language providers. They usually will deliver their Gaeilge in one dialect or in Standard Irish. So there's always going to be variations across the dialects. In those, anyway, let's move on to a nice one. We'll have sun tomorrow. So basically saying it'll be sunny tomorrow. It'll be a nice day tomorrow. And we have by green ann amorach. By green ann amorach. Now, once again, it is particularly important in here. This will be pronounced different in different dialects. In Munster, they say beg instead of by. In Connacht, it's by. Do check obair.ie. However, structurally and grammatically, by green ann amorach is we'll have sun tomorrow. By green ann amorach. Agus an ceantar enough, the last one, the sun came out. So if you're having a conversation with somebody and you can say, well, it's nice now, or the sun has come out. Tháinig an green amach. Tháinig an green amach. Tháinig an green amach. The sun came out. Agus sinige, shot. That's it for this mini lesson. Hopefully you get a phrase there that you can start using straight away. Check out all of our other videos in this playlist and check out our waitlist for our Rusty to Fluent series that's going to launch later on this year if you would like to become a natural speaker of Irish like a native speaker. Gurmil Maha, thank you so much. Agus slán go full. Bye for now.